Hello student, welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education. And today we are going to learn about a topic which is write your own story. So let us go ahead and read about topic that how to write a story. Okay, so write a story means that here you are the author, or you can say the book is telling about how can you write a story, a play, or any speech type matter. But basically here it's a script for how it is a script type, or you can say a play. If you are having a friends, you can make with them, or any 5 candidates as said here. Look at the chart given on pages 40-41. Each person in the group is given only one column to choose from. From column A, one person chooses any 5 character. From column B, another person can choose any 5 characteristics or qualities for these characters. From column C, D, and E, the 3 remaining children choose the story type, the period, and one setting place respectively. The condition is that every person chooses separately without telling or consulting the others. So there are, you can see columns. You can see A, B, C, D, and E. In A, it is a character, name of the character, which child will play which character, and his characteristic. How can you just tell them which characteristic that person belongs to? So characters, their characteristics, and story type which you want, the time period in which time we are speaking about, the places from where they have come from or which places they live. So again read. After everyone has chosen, there's a condition that every person chooses separately. That if one person is choosing character for himself, then for other 4, then characteristic chosen by other person should not be told to them that yes, this character is matched to. He said that this is your character, and tell them what's the characteristic. So while telling or consulting the other, you have to just choose 5 characters, their characteristics, the story type, period, and one setting. Play. After everyone has chosen, you put all the elements together and build a story or play with it. Like everyone has chosen, so you are told that you should build a story, play in it. It must have a beginning, some events, and a story is having, if you are preparing anything, it should have a beginning, some event should take place, and then an end. You may choose other supporting character and move from one setting or time period to the another if necessary, but you must use what you choose first. But you have whatever you have chosen, you should only use that only. But if more character required, then you can choose other supporting character and then their characteristics from it, and you can also call other people in the story. For the teacher, discuss the activity in the classroom and demonstrate how to choose from the columns. Build one story through a discussion in the classroom. After that, allow children time to build the stories, play in the classroom itself. Later on, they may write the stories individually or as an exchange or as a group activity. Encourage them to illustrate their story or play. So, characteristics. So you can say characters like magician, schoolgirl, schoolboy, mouse, thief, soldier, farmer, dinosaur, merchant, king or queen, dog, scientist, superhero, robot, detective, neighbor, elf, acrobat, pilot, hawker. So from any of these characters you can choose any 5. One person is choosing 5 characters and other is choosing their characteristics, but they don't know how they will be differing. Okay, fine. Like we will discuss later on. Characteristics: brave, coward, wicked, kind, weak, bullying, nosy, forgetful, very intelligent, scholar, talkative, silly, sly, honest, cunning, loyal, rash, helpful, selfish, strong. Do you have these elements in your story? Good description, you will need objectives, events, and action. So, what asking? But they have the storyteller, or you can say the author is asking that do you have these elements? If you are like all these elements, in which good description and events and action, even that this is take place in this particular day. Action, what they done? They have hide, they have attack and aggressive talk like this. C is a story type. The story type can be fairy tale, fantasy, mystery, adventure, ordinary, success story, funny, science fiction, tragic, play. Time, in the time of the caveman, once upon a time, 1000 to 500 years ago, 20 years ago, now, 20 years from now, 200 years from now, when dinosaurs live on the earth. Places can be your city, town, village, on another planet, in a faraway land, in a desert, to the forest, in a hilly fort, an island, in a big city, in space, in a small kingdom. Dialogue and conversation, and also monologue if you like. Some surprise for the readers. Please share your story with other groups. So, dialogue and conversation in the monologues, you can say there should be a dialogue, conversation between them, and monologue is just like a play. You can say speech given by one person and a play. You can say some surprises for the reader. So you should share your story, because if you're sharing your story you're giving ideas to other so that they can develop these ideas. So let us take one. So you can take a magician, or you can say a soldier. He's you can take soldier from character and choose characteristics such as brave soldier. And if you want the story to be adventurous, take adventurous story, or you can say tragic story. Tragic means that's fatal, means something has happened to him and it led to destruction. So it's tragic story. Time period like 1000 to 500 year ago. Against the once upon a time their soldier lived. He's so brave, but his tragic in will be discussed in this play or in the story which I'm writing. And the places in the place he lived is not in a village. The soldier live in a village which very brave. He what if someone do bad for others, if someone killed the people, if someone just tortured them, that soldier just bring his sword and just cut his neck. So you can write in this way. So this is the type you can write your story, you can write your play. If there are five characters play, like you can say, you can say magician, a schoolgirl, schoolboy, you can say um sorry school, or you can say that something like related to it you can choose. Then a magician is just showing magic. He's very intelligent person but very cunning. It's just like the stories are like a fairy tale, you can say fantasy. E- so you can begin that once as once upon a time a magician in common city of this yours, just like your write your city name. And then you can say that a schoolboy, one schoolboy and schoolgirl is moving over, and they see him. He just tell that please see my magic. They both waited and he just shows surprises and all. So this is the way you can write about everything. So just work on it and get more and more usual to this story so that you can write on it. So thank you class.